that him?
Yep. Oh my god.
You want to drive after him?
Yeah, I probably should. May as well. This guy. I feel like this car is destroyed. Wrong way. Oh my god, I can't believe that. The car is destroyed.
Call the cops?
Yeah. Yeah, you want to call them?
Yeah. Yeah, it's him right there.
I'm gonna try. Just get this guy. I can't believe that.
Yeah, hi. I'm driving. We just got into an accident with a box truck.
Yeah, 52269ML and he ran.
We're on.
Look, this guy.
South Conduit.
Yeah.
South Conduit and what's the intersection?
You hit me in from behind, bro. Okay.
Sorry, we're on South Conduit by the Fairfield Inn and the Citgo station. Yeah, that's where we are. I don't know the name of the street. We're on South Conduit. And what's this called?
Okay, we're by the Citgo. We're by the Fairfield Inn Marriott. This guy's not even stopping.
Yeah, we're by the Fairfield Inn Marriott, and the guy who just hit us, he's in a box truck. He's not stopping.
And he's
he's not stopping. And he's out of the truck, and he's getting a little bit confrontational.
Yeah, he's coming over and yelling.
Yeah, you know you hit me.
You made a 4-lane change.
Yeah, we're right by.
I don't even have to say anything. That was ridiculous driving. I don't know what you're doing.
In Marriott on South Conduit.
So what you want to do? You want to give me information?
No, we're getting the cops
All right,
to come here. I can't believe that. You made a 4-lane change right at the light. You made a 4-lane change right at the light.
How you gonna say I made a 4-lane
change? I'm not even gonna argue.
All right, we're on. Crazy. Sorry, I didn't hear what you said because this he's getting a little confrontational. All right, we're on. What's the name of this?
Yeah, so navigation.
Hang on, I'm looking for you on the navigation. All right, hold on, please stand by. I'm sorry.
Okay, Rockaway Boulevard.
Right. We're on.
South Conduit and Rockaway.
South Conduit and Rockaway.